Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make slim face on CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Then select your picture or video. Then press on your picture. Search for retouch. Press on face and go to reshape. Here you will find slim. Press on this. From here you can slim your face. That's it. So this is how to make slim face on CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.